Hi, I'm Katie Freeman with Freeman Furnishings, and for today's video, I'm going to walk you through a quick project of turning this piece of spalted oak into a serving tray. So why don't we go ahead and get started. From sapling to heirloom, every piece has a story, and it's our job to share that story. After using the planer on both sides of the board to remove the mill marks, all I really needed to do was sand it to smooth. So I sanded it to 180 grit inside the HomeRite shelter with fan and filter to reduce the amount of sawdust. Then this time I remembered to mark my board before I did any further finishing. Now I wanted to make this serving tray multi-purpose, and so since I wanted to make it multi-purpose, I purchased these handles that would be used as handles when in a serving tray format, and then you could flip it over and they would be legs, and so you could use it as a display tray. So I did a countersink so that you won't see the screws when it's flipped over as a display tray. And then I dyed it a turquoise and blue mixture to get this nice brilliant turquoise once the finish is on there. So in order to make sure that the handle was really secure and wouldn't come out, even though I'm going to put dowels on top, I did go ahead and put in just this 1 minute set time epoxy as I'm putting in the screws, so the handles are going absolutely nowhere after the epoxy is set. And I really decided to do this just because I felt a little bit of wiggle when I did the test fit. Alright, then I'm putting in dowels over the top of the screw heads again, so you can't see the screw heads when this is serving as a display tray instead of a serving tray. Once the glue with the dowels is dried, it's going to be time to use the flush cut saw to cut them flush. And here is where I have my first injury ever. So note to self, which I thought about 3 seconds before this happened, don't hold your opposite hand of the flush trim saw so that you don't get it into your hand. Luckily there was no need for stitches, just a little bit of super glue, and it's all well and good. So the rest of the video you'll see me looking like a little bit of a Michael Jackson because I'm having to protect the hand that I cut. For the finish, I just went with a Rust-Oleum spray lacquer that you can buy at any big box store like Home Depot or Lowe's. I went with the lacquer because it will be a great protectant for the tray and the color beneath it, and it's totally food safe once the lacquer has fully cured. This tray was such a quick and easy project, and it would look beautiful serving drinks and hors d'oeuvres at any party. If you enjoyed this project and would like to see more, please consider subscribing to my channel, or you can check out my website at www.freemanfurnishings.com, where I post all of my videos, blogs, and products available. Today's video is sponsored by HomeRite, who provided the spray shelter with straps for optional fan and filter that I used while sanding during this project. It really helped me cut down on dust in the shop, and it will become a go-to for me in the future for carving and anything else that produces a lot of sawdust. If you would like to check it out for yourself, please check out the affiliate link down below. Thanks for watching. Bye.